Hey everyone, friends. Weller here. Today I'm going to show you how to change the position of the overlay in Discord. Open Discord, click on Settings, then click on Game Overlay. First, turn it on and choose the button that will activate the overlay. Next, start any game that supports this overlay. And press this hotkey. Yes. Let's say this one. Well, now let's see if it shows up on your screen. Alright, got it. Okay, then let's launch it like this. And I activate the overlay. Something didn't work for me in Visuka. Strangely enough, it worked in Opera. Good. Let's launch the overlay. As you can see, we have a setting here that we can move around wherever and however we want. That's all for now. Weller was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Wishing everyone a good life. Good luck to everyone. Goodbye, everyone.